your dog's name? Is it Rufus Wayne? Is your dog nice? Does he bite? Rosie's got it made, lying by the pool, sipping lemonade. What's your dog like? She's out of sight. What's your dog's name? By no hands. I know, Rosie. I've been gone for 3 days. You're wondering when I'm coming back. But I'm coming back, Rosie. I'm coming back right now. In fact, I just pulled in the driveway. You can hear the car rumble. It excites you, and I'm excited too. I'm coming up the driveway, Rosie. Your tail is wagging. You're barking in the window. I'm coming up all the way to the back of the house, to the kitchen, Rosie. There you are in the kitchen window. You're happy. You missed me, Rosie. I missed you too. Now, I'm coming in the kitchen door. You're on the floor, spinning pinwheels. Happy dog. Daddy's home. Rosie's got the time. Got it all figured out. Living the dog